I've had a lot of requests to talk about the EU-Mercosur trade deal. And before you scroll, this doesn't just affect farmers, it affects all of rural Ireland. It's a trade agreement between the EU and South America's Mercosur bloc, Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay, Uruguay, which cuts tariffs on most trade. And while it suits countries like Germany that want to export cars and tech, it offers little to no benefit to rural Ireland. They're not going to buy what we produce. They have cheaper alternatives at home and we can't compete with their cost of production. There are serious concerns around animal welfare and human health. A recent Farmers Journal investigation found that in Brazil you can buy powerful veterinary antibiotics over the counter with no prescription, no herd number, no tracking or traceability. Under EU law, we'd be thrown in jail. And when almost the same product lands on Irish shelves for cheaper, which do you think consumers will choose? Irish farmers have received a lot of criticism in recent years on environmental grounds, but while we have an established system that we're constantly trying to improve, the Amazon, the lungs of the earth, are being chopped down to make more agricultural land so they can ship beef halfway across the world to places that already have their own beef. Make it make sense. But cowboy, what can I do? You can contact your TDs and MEPs. You can sign a petition like the one in my bio. There'll be a protest in Athlone on the 10th of January. But if you can't make that, use whatever platform you have to spread the word, like I am right now. The loss of farming doesn't just affect farmers, but schools, shops, clubs, entire communities. Wouldn't you like to say you tried to do something to stop it?